So we just had a VF SS, VF Series 2 SS coming for an install today. So I've just copped the version 6 head unit as well, head unit upgrade. So as you can see, still looks pretty much like the stock appearance, which is good with these cars. Doesn't attract any unwanted attention, so it doesn't mean anything's going to get stolen just by somebody sticking a head in to have a look. So I'll just start it up here. Version 6, this is your home screen. It's going to connect up to the CarPlay by itself. So wireless Apple CarPlay. It supports wireless Android Auto as well, meaning there's no need for any external cables, no USBs or anything like that. All completely wireless. Air conditioning display pops up like this. If you had a Calais with your heated seats as well, it would also still support all them. You can see through these two, 1, 2. Factory reverse camera. Fully functional with all your steering wheel controls. If you want to set up your VF with one of these head units, then shoot us a message and we'll try and sort you out.